Hey everyone, I'd like to show you the new UnMinted heart maker jig. This is for turning coin rings into coin ring hearts. You want to start by making your coin ring in a size 9. So in the size range of size 8.75 to a 9.25. The jig is solid 3D printed. It's got a top tray and a base. The top tray is what slides and shapes the heart. You can see that the base has 2 1/4-inch steel dowel pins and a guideline to help you align the top plate into the coin ring. The top plate has 2 1/8-inch steel machine keys, and the two nest together to help you form the heart. You start by taking your coin ring, drop it over the 2 steel dowel pins, and then position the top tray so that the center pusher for the bottom part of the heart aligns with that bottom line. And that top pusher of the heart fits right over the top. If you have trouble getting that to fit, you just want to make sure that your coin ring is sized correctly. Now the top plate is scaled so that all you have to do is press that down until the top plate is level with the base. So we're just going to hold the front and the back, the top plate to the back, press it on the arbor press with one easy press. And your heart's ready to go.